Hello and welcome to the Refracted Light Fiber Arts YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to work the 2/2 left-leaning double decrease cable. This is a stitch that I developed when I was designing my Fool of a Two Cat pattern, and so I am creating this tutorial to help you better understand how to work this stitch. This is a stitch that I have not seen anywhere else, so I don't know. It's very possible that others have used a stitch like it or the same stitch before, but I'd never come across it. So I'm excited to show you how this stitch works. So let's work our 2/2 left-leaning double decrease cable. So you're gonna work up to the cable that you're gonna be decreasing. So I've got my cable set up here. These are the 4 stitches I'm gonna be decreasing. So I'm gonna do a double decrease, which means I'll start with 4 stitches and end up with 2. Okay, so I'm gonna slip 1 from my left needle to my right needle. So I'm slipping the first stitch of my cable. Then I'm gonna rearrange these 2 stitches. So I'm gonna insert my right needle into the second stitch on my left needle from the back, slide both stitches off my left needle, and then insert my left needle back into that first stitch that's hanging free in the front of my work. Okay, then I'm gonna rearrange those 2 and slip that first stitch on my right needle back onto my left needle. And then I'm going to go ahead and slip the first stitch of my cable back on my left needle as well. So I've done my rearranging, and now it's time to work the stitches. So to work them, I just SSK, slip, slip, knit 2 together twice. Okay. And work these next 2. So you can see here, it looks like I'm cabling, but I end up with just 2 stitches, where before there were 4. So when I continue my work, this cable, instead of being 4 stitches wide, is now just 2 stitches wide. So that is the 2/2 left-leaning double decrease cable.